Okay guys, so today I'm playing I Am Bird. So like basically you're a bird. You know what I'm gonna do? Well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna poop on everyone. Take this. Take this, woman. Take this. Take this.
No context.
Get over here.
Close. Oh.
Run!
Dramatic exit.
Run! Run! I got to go home. I want to fly. Now no one notices me because I'm flying. Yay, yay, yay. Now you cannot get me because I'm in my house. Revenge! Get pooped on. Well, no, wait, I meant peed.
No destination.
Get peed on.
This one for my pride. Clouds, check him. Nicely.
Take that. That's what you get for messing with me. I hate these people in the town.
In Prasad.
Okay, I believe I can fly. Take this. Take this, people.
One more. Block by block. Back. Yikes. Sweep this through.
Oh, take this. Oh yeah, you wanna have beef? Huh? Take this.
Return to sender.
Oh, you wanna have beef? Well, I have beef too.
Just walking. Evade this, hot shot.
Take this.
Bonk Express. Arriving. Think fast, Flapper. Check his breathing. Now.
Yeah, take that. If you're aggressive to me, I'll be aggressive to you back. Haha, nice try, you missed.
Special
Well,
delivery.
I'm not
Like
missing.
choices.
Run. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's deserved. Wow. Okay. Am I safe now? I think I'm safe. I hate these people in town. They should not belong here. I only like the birds.
Map stays in the pocket. Clear out. Sprint. Away.
Okay, I got this bald head guy. And now I'm about to throw him on the statue. Wee. Okay. Come here, bald guy.
This tempo suits the day.
I want hot dogs because I like hot dogs.
Protect us into this attack.
I want hot dogs.
Make it touch.
Give me all the hot dogs.
We're ready.
Where's the hot dog place? I want to see the hot dogs. what is here? Tourist. I hate the humans.
Rhythm fast. Don't lose it. On the next street.
Yeah, that's what I get for having beef with me. Poop, poop. No, I meant pee. Pee. I'm gonna pee on you.
You guys make good company.
Take this.
Do your thing.
That snooze button was aggressive.
What is this snooze button?
You go, girl. We back you. Run it up.
Keep pushing.
That part responsibility.
Big energy. That's real. Yes.
We're ready.
Turn it off.
Hey, I
That's
want
a hard
you.
reset with